Bring it back.
Good afternoon and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Mello.
My name is Ethan. It's a gorgeous day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, our boys tennis team will go to Bayside to compete at 4 p.m.
Our girls tennis team will host Bayside today at 4 p.m.
Today, our girls beach volleyball team will compete in a preseason classic match versus Satellite. This will be an away game beginning at 4:15 p.m.
Attention! Seniors who have not met the reading or math graduation requirements should register now for the March 9th SAT. Regular registration deadline is February 23rd, late deadline is February 27th, and April 13th ACT regular registration deadline is March 8th.
If you're on free or reduced lunch, see Ms. Jameer for ACT waivers. SAT waivers should already be in your College Board account.
The SAT is now digital. That means you can bring your own device. After registering, download the Blue Book app and start exploring. The week before your test, they'll email you a reminder to complete a short exam setup in the app before you can print your admission.
Seniors taking these tests, make sure you're using Khan Academy's SAT Prep so you can earn concordant scores.
Students and staff, Heritage High School will be sponsoring another blood drive on February 21st. You must be 17 years or older and must have registered to donate.
You can register to donate blood in room 6114 before school or during lunch if you have a pass from your fourth period teacher. Bring your ID to sign up and receive permission forms.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue, bro.